Alright, the continuation. What coilovers are we going to install in the BMW? Well, Maxpeeding rods, obviously. I bought these and I opened it up like that. And would you know, one of them came with a blown damper. Haven't touched anything, just came with a blown damper. So they're sending me another one. So that's going to take quite a while. That's gonna, I was about a week ago and I've still got a week to wait. For the now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the rear. Alright, so I've got everything out. I'm having a good look at it right now. From memory of doing this, I've done this on a E46. The shock is like too short, if I remember correct. So you have to like preload the thing. So like the actual adjuster, a lot of people don't run the adjusters, which I kind of want to, because I want that kind of preset, kind of be able to fuck around with it. But yeah, I'm going to take it all apart, see if it fits. Now, I kind of knew this would happen, but that's basically the spring tensioned up so it can't move about or anything like that. There's about maybe an inch. No, these dampers are definitely not long enough, but I understand why they've kind of did this at the same time. I mean, these springs will fall out if there's not much tension on it, but could have done with a little bit extra length on there just for a little bit more droop. Alright, so we're tightened up, jacks off, and this is what we're working with. I am tempted just to take that out. The height's going to be dependent of where the shock sits. So that's with the adjuster off. Now it looks a bit better, a bit more travel, should I say, before that bottoms out. Springs in there, pretty nice. Happy that I got the rubber bits on, because I know these do like to clatter a bit. Right, as I'm copper greasing these up, I'm kind of feeling this. This isn't being copper greased. Cue the video of these coming loose or something, but I mean, that's how much play is in that to begin with. So yeah, these are gonna come loose regardless. The tolerance on that is pretty sloppy. Like, yeah, there's a reason why I didn't want to get sponsored by them, because I wouldn't be able to complain. You're gonna get the first look. Well, yeah, you'll see it. Let's see. Hey, should it camber? No, it's Joe Wishbone, so... is it Joe Wishbone? What the hell is that? It's about an inch big. Alright, so that's both sides got the new brake lines on. Just having a quick look at this suspension. Have a quick look at the suspension, and anti-roll bar drop link that needs to come off, if it will. 3 bolts on the top mount, and this pitch bolt, and then whack it off, which might be harder than you think. Bird up. Okay, so I spent 3 hours getting that side out. So the side that the thread's on, there's actually nothing wrong with that. It's the other side that doesn't have any threads in the hub that's actually got stuck. When I go to do that wheel, I'm going to have to figure out some way of freeing this bit here off before anything else. There he is. Look at that. That right there was what snapped our bolt, funny enough. And it came out with no problem at all. So, it's Saturday today, so I'm going to have to wait till Tuesday for a bolt to come now. It's a funny size. M12 by 1.5mm thread pitch. And about 60mm long. Yeah, I think these needed changed anyways, Nice spin to them, but... yeah, so on BMWs from factory, they have sliding holes for the camber adjustment, which is pretty cool. But it does make my life a little bit of a nightmare, because I think what I'm going to do is slide it all the way back and then pull the adjusters forward a bit and then just work from there. Well, that's just in. So I got as far back with the sliding parts of the... God, that's my bloody VIN number. So I've got it as far back as possible on the actual sliding bit, but there's not much room in there. Obviously I can move bolts around, stuff like that. This is what it's like inside the car. Yeah, we're going to be missing out on a lot of droop, but we kind of already know that. With a lot of persistence, I did a lot of work to get that off, back and forwarding, everything, heated it up, RP90'd it, whacked out of it, absolutely just whacked it with hammers, just shocked it that way, hit it on the head that way, just to loosen up the stuff in there. But yeah, no, that came off. Who would think that you could get just one side done in a day? Easy, 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 easy.
Yo, man, I don't think they heard you. Why don't you tell them what your name is? My name is...
Easy.
Yeah, this is true.
Well, ain't no criminal spec. So as you can see, the car is lowered. We finished up the coilover install. Everything's back in. All bolts have been changed and everything like that, so it's all good bolts. That's it, done. I just need to align it, which I've already aligned it. I've actually done a lot of things in between. I'm currently doing another thing. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and subscribe to keep up with this series. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.